Good morning, dear students. Shall we start? Okay, all of you take your grammar textbook. Grammar Way, Lesson 3, One and Many. Page number 7. Okay, so in the last class, we studied about the singular and plural forms of nouns, isn't it? Singular and plural forms. Singular means one, plural means many. So what are singular nouns? Do you remember what are singular nouns? Yes, singular nouns are one in number. Nouns that are one in number are called singular nouns. Nouns that are one in number are called singular nouns. For example, a boy, a cat, a girl, a toy, etc. So, what are plural nouns? As I said earlier, plural means many. So, what are plural nouns? Plural nouns that are more than one in number are called plural nouns. Nouns that are more than one in number are called plural nouns. For example, boys, girls, cats, apples, bananas, etc. Okay, and we studied two rules. There are some rules for changing a singular noun to plural. And we studied two rules. Do you remember those two rules? What is the first one? First rule. Rule 1. Yes, to change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. Means if we want to change a singular noun to plural, we have to add the letter S at the end of the word. Simply add S at the end of the word. I'll show you some examples. Look at here. Ball, balls. So ball is a singular noun. And here we want to change the singular noun to plural noun. So what we have to do is simply add the letter S at the end of this word. Ball, balls. Thereby we can make it into plural form. Then another example. Girl, girls. Here also we added the letter S at the end of this word to make it into plural forms. Okay. So now we will discuss about second rule. Second rule. What is the second rule here? We add es to make plurals of words ending with s, ss, x, o, ch and sh. Words ending with these letters. Words ending with these letters ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് s, ss, x, o, ch and sh. So for all these words ends with these letters, what we have to add es at the end to change this into plural form. For example, look at the first word here, bus, B-U-S, bus. Bus is a word that ends with the letter S. Okay, so we have to add what es at the end to change it into plural form. Then look at the second word, glass. Glass, glass. Here is a word ends with the letters ss. Here also we have to add es at the end. Then box, B-O-X. The word ends with the letter X. Here we have to add es. Then tomato. Tomato is a word that ends with the letter O. So then also we have to add es, like mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. Then next word bench, bench, bench. That is a word ends with the letter ch. So that is why we added es to make it into plural form. Like match, matches, bench, benches, watch, watches, etc. Then look at the next word dish, dish, dish. Dish is a word ends with the letter sh. So we added es at the end to make it into plural form. So that is rule number 3. That is add es to make plurals of words ending with s, ss, x, o, ch and sh. Okay, shall we move on to next rule? Rule 3. Nouns that end with the letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES to make it plural. Okay, so there are some words which end with the letter Y. And if we want to change those words that ends with Y, we have to add what? IES to make it plural. Words that ends with the letter Y, we have to add IES to make it plural. For example, look at this word baby, B-A-B-Y. That is a word ends with the letter Y. Okay. So according to the rule, we have to add the letters IES to make it into plural form. Okay, then look at here, cherry, Y, that is a word ends with Y, that is why we added IES, cherries. Then next, monkey, that is also a word ends with Y. So we added IES. Then country, Y, IES. Okay. So if a word ends with the letter Y, we have to add IES to make it to plural form. Okay. That is rule number 3. Now one more rule, rule number 4. What is that word? That is to form the plural of a noun that ends in F or FE, we replace the F or FE with VES. That is another rule. If a word ends with the letters F or FE, we have to replace F or FE with VES. By adding VES at the end of those words, we can make it into plural. Okay. I'll show you some examples. Look at here. This is a word LEAF. It's a word that ends with the letter F. Okay. And we want to change it into plural form. So thereby we added VES at the end of this word. Okay. Now another example, knife, K-N-I-F-E, that is a word ends with the letters F-E. So here also we can add VES to change it into plural form. So that is another rule, rule number 4, that is words ends with the letters F or FE. We have to add VES at the end to make it into plural form. Okay, these are the 4 rules that you have to study. There are certain other rules also, but this much only you have to study this year. Okay, now we will move on to the exercise part. Page number 8, some exercises are given there. You have to do all these exercise. Okay, page number 8, exercise A. So look at here, some words are given here and we have to change those singular nouns to plural forms. First one is done for you, guitar, guitars. Shelf, second word is SHELF. Remember those rule. That rule, what? Word ends with the letter F, we have to add VES at the end to make it into plural. So shelves, shelves, plural, shelves. Then story, story. There is a rule. If a word ends with the letter Y, we have to add IES to make it into plural. So story, stories. Crayon, simply add S only. Crayons. Puppy, puppy, Y. Word ends with Y. Thereby IES. We have to add IES at the end. Then peach. Peach is a word ends with the letter CH. So add ES. Okay. So change all these singular nouns to plural form. I have written all the answers here. So you can make use of this page for copying it into your grammar note. Okay. So shall we move on to exercise B? Here a picture composition, a picture is given here. So look at the picture, list any 6 things that are one of a kind and 6 things that are more than one of a kind. So one has been done for you. So look at the picture carefully. You have to list the items as singular and plural naming words. So singular naming words, which are those singular naming words here? Globe, one is already written here. Then second one is bed is also singular here, isn't it? Bed singular, bed singular, then pillow singular, here painting singular, window singular. Then what else can you see? So the 5 singular. Now okay, teddy bear singular. Then okay, this much only 5 words. The total 6 words you have to write here. Then plural forms also 6 plural words here. One is already written here, plums, then balls, then rackets, books, then what else, boxes, etc. So write all these also in your textbook. I have written all the answers here. Okay. Then shall we move on to the next exercise? One more exercise, I think. Some nouns are given here. We have to change these singular noun to plural form, and after that you have to make a sentence using those plural nouns. Okay. For example, besses. Then after changing this word into this singular noun to plural, you have to make a sentence using that singular plural noun. Many buses are parked outside the stadium. House, its plural form is houses. Then scarf, scarves, VES. Then brush, brushes, cherry, cherries, jacket, jackets. So write all those words, and I have written answer here. So you can make use of these answers and complete this exercise. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.